Hey guys, what's up? Demon Dog here today with two track reviews. Not one, two track reviews. Yes, I'm doing double because I haven't I haven't been doing them for a while, and you know I'm a bit behind because there's a couple more tracks to review. And also, I was gonna do other videos that aren't track reviews. So first one is a band that I'm more familiar with, Overkill. Yes, yes, my friends, another great thrash metal track has been released by another thrash metal giant. Fucking Overkill. Um, and this one is called Our Finest Hour. Now this one, yes, this one does sound like Overkill, and I don't know if I said it before, but I don't like AC/DC. I don't like their music. I don't enjoy them. Not even one song. I find the vocalist to have an annoying voice. This is just my opinion. But and yes, I'm gonna be in a lot of trouble for saying this, but fuck you. Um, Overkill has a little bit of an AC/DC-ish sound. Yes, that's kind of how I see it, but obviously with the thrashy riffs and all that stuff. And Bobby Blitz, I think he's a way better vocalist than I don't care for the names of the AC/DC vocalists. I don't even know which one is the guy that's alive. I know Bon Scott is dead, but I don't know the guy that. Yeah, Brian Johnson, I think. So anyway, yeah, I think Bobby Blitz is a way better vocalist than Brian Johnson. Um, so yeah, I mean, Overkill's obviously better. Yes, they have a bit of an AC/DC-ish sound. If you don't like AC/DC, I think you'll still like Overkill. Overkill, of course, is one of my favorites. I mean, I I've listened to their stuff. I'm not gonna say I've listened to the albums and all that stuff that I know everything about them. But the tracks and all that stuff that I heard from them. Um, I mean, they have my respect. They have my respect for them. I have respect for them as a thrash metal band, and I salute them. Um, and I have also liked the lyrics. So yeah, this track definitely has everything that Overkill is known for, and what I like about this is that what they're gonna bring to 2016, it's not gonna disappoint. It's gonna be awesome. Everyone has talked about all the new albums that the thrash metal bands have been putting out, and none of them have been a disappointment. So I mean, this is gonna sound like old school thrash metal. Same kick-ass Overkill that we all know and love. And also, it has a solo that that I enjoy very much, and you know, I always get excited for the solo to come out. Now for the next review, Dead Dawn by Entombed or Entombed A.D, whatever you want to call them. I'll be honest, I really haven't heard much from Entombed. Yes, I have heard other death metal bands. I'm not just gonna say Arch Enemy, because if I just mention them, then I obviously don't know anything about death metal. But yeah, I mean, I like a lot of bands. Monomars, Carcass, Nile, um, Cannibal Corpse, of course, Death, Possessed, Vader. I love them. I like Cataclysm, Belphegor, and of course everyone's favorites, bands like Deicide and Vital Remains. You know, you gotta love Deicide. So yeah, I mean, I know my things about death metal. I like a decent amount of bands that aren't just melodic death metal. So yeah, I mean, just for one of the classic death metal bands that I haven't listened to that much, I don't think I should get scolded. So anyway, this track, Dead Dawn, holy shit, this one, it melts your face off, man. Yes, I'm sorry for the metaphor, but uh, yeah, that's how it is. It's heavy. It has the riffs. It has everything that you need to have a kick-ass time with metal. It hits the speakers, and you know, it has you headbanging. And there again, we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Um, Another death metal band staying true to their style. Um, Another, because you know, Vader too. Um, they're still being awesome. They're still releasing really great stuff, and yeah, just another one of those where you can't wait for the new album. So yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, I don't know much about Entombed, but yeah, that's what I think about the new track, and there's some more coming your way. So yeah, I'll see you later, and as always, keep it metal.